Okay, we just did this line, which is this line here, and we just measured the angle. It's 90 degrees between the two of them. Okay, so all we are going to do now is do the rest of this shape over here, which we know all of this is just a mirror image of the top and the bottom, and they are mirroring each other here. Okay, so this whole top portion is the same as this bottom portion over here. Okay, and if I zoom actually uh, here, you can see that there's a small line. Okay, that doesn't have any measurement. So that's the last drawing that we're going to do. So in this case, what we're going to do is simply do a mirror, select everything on top. We're not going to do that because it's already mirrored. Press enter, select this point here, and make sure my ortho is on. So I'm doing only vertical and horizontal. So simply I'm going to click that. And then do you want to erase? I'm going to say that I am going to, no, I don't want to erase any object. Now, from this object here, this one is supposed to be 80, and we drew this as 90. How would I know? I click this. Okay, on your properties down here, it'll tell us the length. The length is 90. We don't want it to be 90. We want it to be 80. So once you've drawn that, you can actually reduce the length of this line, okay, by typing in a command called lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Press enter. And then we're going to type in a total length. So we're going to click in total, and we're going to type in the total length we want is 80, not 90. So 80, press enter. And all we're going to do now is simply we're going to click here, and once I hover over it, you can see the closest endpoint I am in, it will cut it off and will reduce this to 80. So I simply point to this one, click, that's now 80. Point to this one, click, that is now also 80. And um, if I click, it'll tell me that this is 80. Okay, there's something wrong with what we did here, but there's supposed to be a line here. So let me see. Oh, there you go. So that's exactly there. All right. So yeah. So do what I showed you. I'm gonna erase this. Oh, I'm gonna erase this, and we're gonna try to figure out what's wrong with this drawing, why it's overlapping. All right. So I'm gonna stop the video and do what I just showed you, including lengthening or shortening this length. Okay.